Well, howdy there, folks. Justin here again. Today I'm going to be building a Lego set. It's another 4+. It is the Construction Bulldozer. It's official Lego set 60252. It has 126 pieces. And, yeah, I think this is pretty damn cool looking. This is a pretty damn cool looking little set. And it's got one of those white stickers that you're not seeing much anymore because factories are getting caught up and all that kind of stuff. So, and oh, this is a punch tab. This is a thumb punch. So, you know how I don't use those. So, all right, switch over to that and very carefully get this open. Very carefully get this open. Okay, that's good. Right. Okay. And and I know some folks, you know, some older folks don't really like building these 4+ sets because they're simple and children's sets. But you know what? I don't care because they have cool pieces. And sometimes you see stuff in these sets that you don't see in the more advanced stuff. So, and honestly, one of my favorite things about these, printed tiles, printed pieces. They don't do stickers in these sets. They're prints. That's my favorite thing about these. They're prints. Sorry, not a fan of stickers. Anyways, calm down, Justin. It's okay. So, but yeah, I don't like stickers. I mean, for the price of these Lego sets, honestly, they should all be prints. They should all be prints. I'm sorry, they should be prints. As much as we shell out for this stuff, and as much as technology has advanced, they should be print pieces. They shouldn't be they shouldn't be stickers. They should be prints. Anyways, enough of my enough of my minor little rant about what I think should be. And let's build. After all, this is a construction set. Alright, we got our first builder guy here. I don't know if he has a name. There's that. And then we got ourselves a little sign warning people about construction work and that you need a hard hat. Okay, they're not going to stand up on their own. A couple construction cones to warn people to stay out of the way. You know what? That's the same piece that should be in another set. Sorry, I just noticed a piece that should be in a set that I got at a yard sale that was missing some pieces. Anyways, not relevant to this build. Do-do-do-do. Building. Building with bricks. A long pastime. Oh, I wish this could do more than just go up and down like this. That's okay. This is a 4+ set. It's not supposed to be complex. Not supposed to be complex. So, yeah, okay. Very carefully stretch this around. Okay. Stretch this around. Alright. Tracks. It was a Bulldozer. It's supposed to have tracks. Okay. Let's get the operator in here. In reality, it should have a couple of the little joystick pieces, not a steering wheel. This is a Bulldozer. It's not supposed to have a steering wheel. There it is. There's a little connector on the back for what I'm about to build. Yep, alright. There we have the Bulldozer. It's Bulldozer tracks pulling a little wagon with some debris in it, and it's got some debris in here in the front loader. So, I already showed those off. Then we got the sign. Alright, set this off to the side over here. With that, bag 2. Book 2. Okay. Alright. And this right here, this thing that goes together to be a rock, to me, that's new. So, like I said, I find pieces in these sets that are new to me, that you don't get in other sets. Or at least I haven't gotten in other sets. Here we got ourselves another construction worker. Okay. So, I mean, I know they've been in other sets. I know they have. They have to have been. I mean, I've heard about a power miner theme from I don't know how long ago. That seems like something that would be in it. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if that's the theme where these particular molds originated. I don't know. I know they weren't around 20 plus years ago when I was collecting Lego, but they're around now. So, another lovely printed piece. Always delightful to see. Another lovely printed piece. Simple little crane. Or I should say, simple little wrecking ball. Cause oh. A hook to hang there in case you need to switch it over. Debris and stuff for the construction site. The wheels on there. Okay. Oh, hold on there, buddy. Those need to go like that, eh? Alright then. Now we got ourselves a little cement mixer for mixing that cement, eh? Then you put the jackhammer over here on the back for breaking up the cement. Either the old stuff that you're getting rid of, or, you know, if you accidentally leave the cement in the mixer and it stops spinning or it dries out, and you need to clean it out. Yep, it shows 6 going in, but only 5 staying when you spin it. So okay then, here we go, folks. here we have... Oh, I forgot to put these little pieces on there. Gotta put them over here so that they're ready to be used. Alright, and let's get this fella up here so he can operate the wrecking ball. Alrighty then. Okie dokie. So here we have, in its entirety, in its completed state, extra pieces. One inner wheel part and an extra stud. Although, 2 studs. Might as well be. But, hold on. Let's get that out of the way for a moment. Alright. I'll stick those in there. Got some stuff for them to be clearing away. You can set this stuff up. Like so. And the wrecking ball. Boom. 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 Can't get the bottom one. Can't get the bottom one. Arrgh. And I like having this up here in the front, because otherwise it doesn't quite sound like you would like a Bulldozer does. It's not as loud. It's supposed to have that kind of, I don't know, metallic ka-chink, 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 ka-chink sound. And then the cement mixer, warning sign, caution cones, and there we go, folks. Here we have official Lego City set 60252, the construction bulldozer. It's a 4+ set with 126 pieces. Well, I hope you had a good day today, and I hope you enjoyed the watch. If you did, I'd appreciate you, hitting that like button down there. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And, if you have any thoughts, feel free to leave it down there in the comments. Thank you very much. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and goodbye.